Ethiopia, as in any country, non-governmental organizations and civil society groups are important partners in development to help poor or underserved communities develop and progress. The United States Agency for International Development, known as USAID, is partnering with Project Mercy, a faith-based, not-for-profit group serving 2 rural communities in Yetaban, SNNPR, and Chacha, Amhara. Marta Gebre-Tsadik, the first woman senator of Ethiopia under Emperor Haile Selassie, and her husband, Demi Teklewald, founded Project Mercy. After fleeing the communist dictatorship that overthrew the emperor, they established operations in Ethiopia in 1993 when they returned from exile in the U.S.
I am so very proud and thankful to God that my husband and I are the very first diaspora that came to Ethiopia.
Senator James Inhofe, one of Project Mercy's first and most vocal champions, has helped the organization attract national and international support.
The miracles by Marta and Demi are indescribable, and it must be witnessed.
In early 2013, Senator Inhofe, USAID Administrator Rajiv Shah, and several other members of Congress visited Project Mercy's operations in Yetabon. On June 20th, USAID Ambassador Donald E. Booth, USAID Ethiopia Mission Director Dennis Weller, and the President of the Southern Nations, Nationalities, and Peoples Region, Shifaru Shigute, came together with Marta and Demi of Project Mercy to sign 2 agreements to support its operations in Yetaban and Chacha. In Yetaban, a Grage community outside Butajira town and about 165 kilometers from Addis Ababa, pregnant mothers had difficulty receiving medical care.
Because
this hospital did not exist previously, I've heard that many mothers died on their way to Butajira. The first hours of delivery and the first minute after delivery is called the golden minute.
There were no vehicles before, so we carried the sick on stretchers, walking on foot to take them to the closest road where vehicles can be accessed. Now we can walk here and get served. Sick people get healed and women can deliver in peace.
Together, we will train 400 new midwives and reach 3,000 individuals through maternal and child health services. We will ensure that every expectant mother has a skilled birth attendant at her side and her children survive and thrive.
Through the second USAID Project Mercy Partnership for Food Security, USAID will help farmers in Chacha Amhara produce high-quality cow milk that will raise incomes and improve the nutrition of children.
Ethiopia used to be known as a milkland country, and now we have children that have never tasted a glass of milk in their entire life.
Really, the important thing is that that project is going to be training people how to care for their milk cows, and more importantly, how to take the milk that comes from those cows and to market that so that they can earn income.
We definitely are looking very, very excitedly to work with USAID. We know what USAID stands for, to help nations such as Ethiopia to better itself, for the young generation of Ethiopia.
USAID's grants for Project Mercy are examples of the spirit and generosity of America. We're doing something right.
Thank you, thank you.
Ethiopia has shown that they can in fact increase their productivity and they can really improve their people's lives here. We are a catalyst. We, USAID, US taxpayers, money that goes into a country like Ethiopia to improve their food security. But to sustain these gains, we have to have local partners involved. We have to have good technology that comes in here and is sustained after we exit a country like Ethiopia.
I'm very proud of my fellow Ethiopians all over the world, and I like to encourage them to come and to really help working in this country.